What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Billy Ozu, and if this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button so when next I drop my next videos, you can always watch them. Alright, guys, today we'll be talking about how to create an Admob account. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. Okay, so I won't be taking much of our time at all. I don't want us to spend much time creating this video. Okay, so right now I'll be going straight to create my Admob account. So you can see this is Google right here. So I'm going to be searching for Admob. Even if you're on your phone, just go to your Chrome and search for Admob. Okay, it will definitely be out for you. Sorry, I think it's Admob search for. Admob. Yeah. So let me sign in. So you're requesting for my password, and you put my password. Okay, so once it brings you to this page right here, this is you now creating an Admob account. Okay, so now you're going to select your country, your time zone, and your billing currency. Okay, so for my country right now, I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to be searching for Nigeria. Yep, that was good. Yeah, then your time zone is just Lagos. Okay, then your billing currency, please make sure your billing currency is also dollars, US dollar. Okay, don't forget that. Then you agree to Admob privacy policies. You create your account. So right here now, okay, it's already created the Admob account. So this is you clicking yes or no doesn't mean anything. These are not really necessary. Okay, this is the yes part is just if you want to get like suggestions from Admob, things you should do in your app, how to display app in your ad, how to display ads in your app. So if you want to get news from them, then just click on yes. But if you don't want any of that, you can just click on no. It doesn't matter any of the which your account is going to be created. Okay, so right now I'm done creating the account. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to create an app. Okay, so this app is just a dummy app. Okay, you are creating this app because you want to get your banner and Tashisha IDs. Okay, that's why you're creating this app. It's just a dummy app. It's not a real app you're going to use to earn. Okay, so you click on get started. Then it's being able to set up a new ad. Then if the app you are creating is an Android app, then your platform should be Android. But if it's an iOS app, then your platform should be iOS. So I'll just be using Android. Then is the app on Play Store? No, because even before now your app is not on Play Store. If you're just creating an account, then definitely I don't think you should have an app on Play Store. Then you click on continue. Then right here you can give the app any name. Just give it any name at all, any name you can think of. So just be naming this one Billy. Okay, so name that Billy. Then click on add app. You are done creating your dummy app in your Admob account. Okay, so what we're going to do next right here is we're going to click on the add ads unit. Okay, so as you can see, this is where you're going to create your banner and intersection and your rewards banner and your reward banner IDs. Okay, so right now I'll be clicking on the banner ID and I'll just be naming it banner 1. Okay, banner 1. Then create ad ID. Then I will be creating on that one again. So I'll click on create another ad ID. I want to add interstitial so you can see how to do that again. Then I'll just name this inter1. Oh sorry. I'll name it inter1. Then click on done. Those are the only two I want to add. Then right here now, most people feel this. Okay, it should better for you to just click on this email implementation so Google can send your banner and interstitial ID to your Gmail. Okay, so you don't have to be coming to your Admob account all the time to whenever you need your ads units. You don't have to be coming back to your Admob account to get them because Coming back to your Admob account frequently would also cause your account to be banned. Okay, so what you just click on this email implementation instruction where they are always pointing now. Click on it. Oh, yes, network is bad. Okay, you can see, click on it, then it should bring you here, then you click on send email. That's all, then you're done with that. All right, now, so let me show you guys something. I'll be going straight to the dashboard. Okay, and this is the dashboard, and right here you can see missing payment information. So you have to fill this, you have to do this. If you don't do this, your account won't be working. Okay, your account is just an empty account that won't work, and even your ads won't show. So what you're going to do is you come to this your payment, click on it, set up payments. Let's wait while it loads. Okay, now it's loaded for me. So right now, what you just need to do, you just to put your house address, your city or town, your postcode and state. Okay, you are doing this because Google will definitely send you a pin. Okay, there's a little send you a pin to your address that you listed down here. Okay, so for you to verify your account before you get paid, put this at the back of your mind. Then right now I'm going to put my I'm just going to put a random address. Okay, minutes road. So this is just a random address. Okay, and city, town, city, I'm in Lagos, and then Lagos postcode is 10001. Then states, Lagos states. Then that's all. Once you've done this, your number is optional if you want to, and if you don't want to, it's not really necessary for you to input in your number. Okay, then you click on submit. Yeah. Once you've done this, then your Admob account is good to go. Okay, your Admob account is good to go. So you can see when I go back to my dashboard, right here you can see your account is being verified. So once it's verified, it should tell you your account is verified. Okay, so this is how to create an Admob account. And guys, don't forget, if any developer is creating an app for you and is not asking you for your ads unit, please run away. That person is not a developer. Okay, anybody creates an app for you and is not asking you for this, is not asking you for your banner ID, your intershare ID, or this over here, which is your app ID, app setting, or is not saying for your app ID over here, then the person is a scam. Okay, don't work with the person. Take this. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so whenever I drop my video, YouTube can always notify you. And I'll be dropping more videos on Admob. Okay, on 2022, how to cash out on Admob. I'll be dropping a lot of videos on them. Okay, so stay tuned. Peace out.